How to upload profile picture on Skout. Launch the Skout app on your phone. Log into your account if you haven't already. Tap your profile picture avatar in the top corner. Then select Edit. Tap on the profile picture icon or the current photo placeholder. You will see options like choose from gallery or take a photo. Select or take a photo. Pick a clear, well-lit photo where your face is visible. Adjust or crop the photo if prompted by the app. It will automatically save. Your new profile picture will now appear on your Scout profile. And here's a tip. Use friendly and clear headshot. Avoid blurry or group photos. Smile or show your personality to make your profile inviting. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.